In the charming community of Fleming Island, Florida, homeowners take pride in maintaining beautiful, inviting properties that reflect both comfort and style. From manicured lawns to vibrant landscaping, curb appeal plays a major role in how your home looks and feels, not just to guests, but to everyone who passes by. One of the most effective and often underestimated ways to transform your home's exterior is through new window installation. New windows don't just improve energy efficiency, they also elevate your home's character, brightness, and overall value. Whether your home features classic Southern architecture or a sleek modern design, professionally installed windows can make all the difference. Here's how upgrading your windows enhances curb appeal across Fleming Island neighborhoods. A fresh, modern look that stands out over time. Windows can lose their visual appeal, frames fade, seals wear down, and glass becomes foggy or discolored. This aging can make even a well-maintained home look dated. Installing new, custom-fit windows immediately rejuvenates your home's appearance, giving it a clean, modern look that complements your property's architectural style. For traditional homes, gridded or colonial-style windows can maintain classic charm while offering updated functionality. For more contemporary designs, sleek casement or picture windows provide a minimalist aesthetic that emphasizes open views and symmetry. In a community like Fleming Island, where homes range from coastal cottages to upscale estates, new window installation is one of the easiest and most effective ways to boost your property's visual appeal. Maximizing natural light and visibility. Nothing enhances a home's warmth and charm quite like natural light. New windows, especially those with larger glass panes or slimmer frames, allow more sunlight to pour in, making interiors feel brighter and more spacious. From the outside, this creates an inviting, well-lit appearance that reflects beautifully during the day and adds a welcoming glow at night. Modern window designs also offer clearer, higher quality glass that eliminates cloudiness or glare, ensuring your home looks fresh and open from every angle. Whether you're enjoying a morning coffee by the window or greeting guests at your front door, natural light makes your home feel both vibrant and welcoming. Complementing Fleming Island's natural beauty. One of the best features of living in Fleming Island is the scenic backdrop, lush greenery, peaceful waterways, and year-round sunshine. New window installations can help you bring more of that natural beauty indoors while making your home exterior blend harmoniously with its surroundings. For example, bay or bow windows add architectural depth and dimension, perfectly framing outdoor views. Sliding and picture windows offer wide, unobstructed sightlines, ideal for homes overlooking gardens or lakes. These design choices not only enhance daily living but also make your home more appealing to potential buyers who value natural aesthetics. Energy efficiency with lasting appeal. While curb appeal focuses on looks, energy efficiency adds another layer of long-term beauty, practicality. Outdated windows often leak air, causing your HVAC system to work harder and increasing energy costs. Modern, energy-efficient windows come with low E coatings, insulated frames, and argon-filled glass panes that help maintain indoor comfort and reduce energy bills. This efficiency translates into real value for Fleming Island homeowners. Energy-efficient windows not only improve your home's sustainability but also show that you've invested in high-quality upgrades, an attractive feature for anyone who might view your home in the future. Adding architectural balance and detail. Every home's architecture tells a story. The right window style and placement can enhance that story by adding symmetry, proportion, and visual interest. Custom window installation allows homeowners to select designs that complement their home's existing structure, whether it's emphasizing a grand front entryway or creating balance across multiple levels. For example, double-hung windows offer timeless appeal for traditional homes. Casement windows add a modern, refined touch. Transom or arched windows can elevate the elegance of any facade. Small design details like matching trim colors or decorative grills can further personalize your home's look and tie together exterior features such as siding, shutters, and landscaping. The professional advantage. Proper installation is key to ensuring both aesthetic and structural success. Professional window installers in Fleming Island understand how to achieve a perfect fit while protecting your home from Florida's humidity and seasonal storms. With expert craftsmanship, your new windows will not only look stunning but also function flawlessly for years to come. Professionally installed windows eliminate drafts, enhance durability, and maintain the crisp, polished look that sets your home apart in the neighborhood. Final thoughts for homeowners in Fleming Island. New window installation offers a remarkable opportunity to enhance curb appeal while boosting comfort, efficiency, and home value. By blending beautiful design with modern technology, your windows become more than functional. They become a defining feature of your home's personality. If you're ready to transform your home with brighter spaces, better views, and a refreshed exterior, consider investing in custom window installation. It's a simple, lasting improvement that ensures your Fleming Island home shines from every angle, inside and out.